Hello, my lively viewers. This is another day. We thank God for giving us such another day. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare Ghanaian plantain chips. So, first of all, you have to wash your plantains thoroughly. Wash them thoroughly. After washing your plantain, you have to slice it. You can use grater. This is my grater. This part you can use to peel it. I'm a local girl, so I use knife. This is knife. You can see that it's nicely sliced. And then this is my oil in my frying pan. You can see that. And then you can see that I'm setting my fire. So I've set my oil. You can see that the oil is on fire. So I have to start with adding my, so this is my sliced plantain. So the oil is got to wait for oil to be hot. Let's say 2 to 3 minutes for it to be hot before you start adding your plantain. So this is my oil. So you can see that it's fine. The oil is already hot. So this is my sliced plantain. You can see that frying nicely. This is my Ghanaian plantain chips. So what is on fire? Let me go over once again with the ingredients. I have my sliced plantain, my glitter or my knife, and then my salt together with curry powder or turmeric. The curry powder and turmeric is optional. If you don't have it, you can add only salt. Salt is not bad. And then this is my clean tissue. After everything, I will pour it to preserve the oil. So you can see that my popcorn gradually is on fire. Frying gradually. This is our third video. The first one was for Ghanaian buffet. And the second one, sugar popcorn. And then this is the third video.
So if you haven't watched those two videos she just mentioned, our first video, it was how to make Ghanaian authentic special buffet. It's on YouTube now. You can go and watch it on my channel, that's or my YouTube channel, Immanuel the Rich. It is also on my Facebook group. I've created on Facebook, Plantain the Rich, and also send it. My second video was how to make sugar popcorn. It's also on my YouTube channel, Immanuel the Rich. I have also shared it to my social media handles, both Twitter, Instagram, and then my group on Facebook. So if you haven't watched all those videos or videos, you can go and watch it now. But you have to watch this one because this one is special and this one is so cool. This one is our third video. Okay, we have reached 99 subscribers on a tango for here. I got this channel, I got all of my fans in my channel and everyone. I have 99 subscribers. I thank God for how for your got this channel. Hopefully we get 1,000 subscribers so we can do a live video too. Thank you. So let's hit it down the plantain.
So this is the time we have to add our
turmeric curry powder.
Any
of your preferred choice.
Our salt. The turmeric powder or
so the salt is.
I've mixed them together.
Okay, I've mixed them with the curry powder, the turmeric.
So the turmeric and then the curry powder is optional. If you don't have, you can use only salt. So I have tried to, let's say, 4 to 5 minutes. So I have to add my curry powder and then my salt. Turmeric and then the curry powder will add the flavor to your plantain. But if you don't have, no problem, you can use only salt. So that is my authentic plantain chips. Wow, it smells good. So viewers, it's very nice and simple. So watch out for another video. Those of you who have gari in your homes and you don't know how to use it, our next episode we are going to show you how to prepare Ghanaian authentic gari top.
So that was our next video. Our next video is prepare Ghanaian authentic top.
Yes, gari top.
Gari top.
So you can see that it's turning into yellowish color. So we're telling you that we are almost done with our plantain chips. This is mine. So you can see, wow, it's crunchy. Our plantain is ready. So I'm taking it from the fire, as you can see. Wow, it's crunchy. So I have to remove it from the fire. I've added my tissue. I don't want the oil to be part of my plant. That is why I've added a tissue. You can see that I'm removing it from the fire. It's crunchy. You can. So viewers, I'm done with my plantain chips. You can see that it's crunchy. So it's very simple. You can subscribe to
Immanuel the Rich channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.